Midnight on the highway, rain falling on the glass. I'm driving through the memories of a love that couldn't last. There's a bottle on the table and a shadow on the wall. I keep asking empty rooms, did she ever love me at all? The neon lights are faded, the whole world's asleep, but every word she left behind is cutting way too deep. I raise another glass tonight, but it cannot heal my soul. Then I hear a quiet whisper, child, you're not alone. I tried to hide my broken heart, I tried to run away, but every road beneath my feet still leads me to your grace. Jesus, find me in the darkness, find me underneath these tears, when I'm holding on to whiskey just to silence all my fears. Take away this lonely feeling, take the weight I cannot bear, when my heart is breaking slowly. Jesus, meet me there. Oh, meet me there. Jesus, meet me there. When the night is cold and empty, I know you still care. Her perfume's on the pillow, her jacket's by the door. I keep pretending every night that she might come back once more, but the clock keeps moving forward and my heart keeps looking back. I'm walking through the ruins of everything we had. I thought that I could drown it, pour my memories away, but the bottle never answered when I called your name. So I put my glass down slowly and I fall down on my knees. Lord, if you can hear me, please bring my heart some peace. I don't have the strength to fight, I don't know what tomorrow brings, but somewhere underneath my sorrow I can hear the angels sing. Jesus, find me in the darkness, find me underneath these tears, when I'm holding on to whiskey just to silence all my fears. Take away this lonely feeling, take the weight I cannot bear, when my heart is breaking slowly. Jesus, meet me there. Oh, meet me there. Jesus, meet me there. When the night is cold and empty, I know you still care. Maybe broken doesn't mean forgotten, maybe tears don't mean I'm weak, maybe when I lose the person I love, you're teaching me to see. I don't need another drink, I don't need another lie, I just need your loving arms when I'm too tired to try. Take this heart of shattered pieces, take this lonely soul of mine, turn my midnight into morning, turn my darkness into light. Jesus, stay beside me when nobody else is near. Hold me through the silence, hold me through these tears. I'm laying down the bottle, I'm laying down the pain. I'm giving you my heartbreak and trusting you again. Jesus, find me in the darkness, find me underneath these tears. I don't need the whiskey to silence all my fears. Your love is stronger than my sorrow, your grace is stronger than despair. When my heart is breaking slowly, Jesus, you are there, you are there, you are there. In the lonely midnight hours, Jesus, you are there. The rain is getting softer, the darkness starts to fade. I look toward the window and see the dawn you made. The bottle stays untouched now, my knees are on the floor. I came here with a broken heart, but I'm not broken anymore. Jesus, stay with me tonight. Stay with me tonight.